The same mathematical spiral that shapes the petals of a sunflower also guides the rotation of a distant galaxy. The identical geometric pattern appears in the center of a hurricane, in the curve of a nautilus shell, and even within the double helix of our own DNA. It is as if a single hand is writing the same equation into everything that exists. This is not a coincidence. It's evidence of a hidden rhythm. We think of the universe as a chaotic explosion of energy, but behind its surface, there is an invisible architect. The ancient seers, the wise ones who observed and recorded the laws of the cosmos, did not look at the world and see a random collection of events. They saw a deep, unshakable consistency. They called this invisible operating system of the universe Rit, the cosmic order. Rit is the law that keeps the planets in their own orbits and the seasons in their cycles. It is the code that ensures a seed always becomes a tree and a river always finds the sea. To the ancient mind, this was not a religious belief. It was an observation of how the world works. And their descriptions of this cosmic architecture read less like poetry and more like a fundamental physics paper on the nature of reality.
द्वादश प्रधयश्चक्रमेकं त्रीणि नभ्यानि क उतच्चिकेत.
The wheel of the cosmic order has 12 spokes, yet the wheel itself is one. It has 3 hubs. Who truly understands this design? When we hear the word Rit, it is often translated simply as truth or righteousness. But the Vedas invite us to consider a much deeper meaning. Rit is the operating system of the universe, the inescapable law that governs every particle from the moment of birth. In modern science, we describe these same immutable rules as the laws of thermodynamics. Just as Rit cannot be cheated, the laws of physics are the final authority on how energy behaves. Consider the first law of thermodynamics. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. This mirrors the Vedic concept of Rit perfectly. Nothing in the universe is ever truly wasted. Every action has a consequence. Every movement is a transformation of energy that was already present. In the eyes of Rit, the universe is a closed system of perfect accountability. But there is also the second law of thermodynamics, the concept of entropy, the tendency of the universe to move from order toward disorder. At first glance, entropy seems to be the enemy of Rit. However, the Vedic perspective suggests that Rit counters this disorder through cycles, the seasons, the birth and death of stars. The vast cosmic cycles known as yugas are all mechanisms of Rit reasserting order from apparent chaos. Where entropy brings decay, Rit brings the rhythm that allows life to begin again. The ancient seers also spoke of a shadow to this order, which they called Anrit. If Rit is cosmic order and truth, Anrit is falsehood and disorder. In the language of physics, this is the tension between low entropy and high entropy. When a system follows Rit, it is in a state of high intelligence and low entropy. When it falls into Anrit, it descends into the noise of chaos. This is why the Vedas emphasize living in alignment with Rit. It is an invitation to move in harmony with the lowest resistance of the universe. To help us visualize this law, the Vedas introduced Varuna, the guardian of Rit. Varuna is not a person in the sky. He is the personification of the cosmic lawkeeper. He is the force that ensures gravity always pulls and the speed of light never changes. Varuna never sleeps and never makes exceptions. He represents the fundamental constants of physics. Just as the universe enforces its own laws without fail, Varuna is the ever-watchful eye of the cosmic order that keeps the stars from falling out of their places. Look again at the Fibonacci spiral in a seashell or a storm. This is writ made visible, the universe writing its signature into every living thing, as if we are part of a singular, coherent design. The shloka spoke of 12 spokes and one wheel, a reminder that despite the diversity of the world, we are all spinning on the same fundamental law. We are not separate from the cosmic order, we are the expressions of it. The universe did not just appear, it appeared with these rules already in place. The operating system was running before the first light began to shine, but there was one element that made the whole system come alive. It was the spark within the matter itself, the fire that drives every sun and every cell. In our next episode, we explore the fire of matter, Agni. We will see how the ancient understanding of Agni, desecrated fire, is being rediscovered today inside the most powerful nuclear fusion reactors on Earth. The flame is older than time, and it is waiting to be understood.